Hello, and welcome to the Wasco County Web Map tutorial video. Here, we will discuss three main topics. First, how to get to the web map. Second, major components and tools you will want to be familiar with while using the web map. And finally, how to use the web map along with the Land Use and Development Ordinance to find zoning and other important information on a particular piece of land. First, how to access the Wasco County GIS map portal. To access the Wasco County GIS map portal, open a new web browser and go to the county website at www.wascocounty.org. Once on the county website, go to Departments and Planning. From the Planning webpage, go down to Plans and Ordinances. On the Plans and Ordinances page, scroll to the bottom until you see the option labeled Map Tool. Please read and accept all of the following information on the disclaimer page before moving on. Now there's one more disclaimer page. Read through the information here, agree, and hit accept. And we are now ready to use the web map. Major components you will want to be familiar with. The zoom in and zoom out features are these buttons up in the left corner. The plus sign zooms into the map, making it larger, and the negative button zooms out. If we zoom in and we want to look at a particular area, you can grab anywhere on the map and drag it. So that's click and drag. This option up here is called the layer list. A layer is different data that can be displayed on the map at any one time. So right now we can see that the city limits has a blue checkbox. If we turn that checkbox off, we notice that the city limits of Dufur went away. If we want those back on the map, we hit city limits again. Now we can take roads away, or we could add roads back. We're going to hit the drop down for zoning and make sure that all of the zones that we want to look at are selected. And we'll now minimize the layer list. We'll zoom out a little bit. And now we'll open the legend. The legend is going to tell us what all of the different colors and symbols on the map mean. How to search for a property and find out its zoning. There are many different ways to find a property. You can come up to the search bar here and click the drop-down menu, and you can see that you can find a property by the address, by the landowner, by the account number, by the tax lot, or you can find a road. Here, we're going to try to type in an address. Let's use the Wasco County Fairgrounds as an example. 81849 Fairground. All right, we can see that the address pops up. We'll select that address. And we can see that it brought us into the land parcel right here. All right, we can see that the parcel of land is selected because it is highlighted. Here we can see that there are 2 pages of information. This first page gives us the tax lot, the account number, the address of the taxpayer. If we use this arrow, we can switch to the second page of information. And here we can see that the zone for this property is A1-160, exclusive farm use. So to look up the zoning information for A1-160, exclusive farm use, we can go back to the county web page, back to the planning homepage. From the planning homepage, we go to Plans and Ordinances, and we select Wasco County Ordinance. This brings up a PDF of the Wasco County Land Use and Development Ordinance. Over on the left-hand side, you can select the document outline and search for A1 exclusive farm use. We can see here A1 zone, select it, and we can see that this page now brings up the exclusive farm use for A1 zone. This page gives us the purpose, activities that are permitted without review, different types of review, property standards, development standards, and other information. And that is how we use the Wasco County Web Map to look up a property and find out its zoning information.